Are you using was or has been to write unstable diabetes? Hello, I'm Sharon, an OET trainer from IILT. So this is a very common mistake or confusion among students which want to use whether it is a was or has been when you write for unstable or uncontrolled situations. Now let's look at an example. Now you can see, name Mr. X, diagnosis, diabetes 2010 uncontrolled on medication. So my question is something that is diagnosed in the past and now if the situation continues or is uncontrolled or unstable, which one should we use, whether it is was or has been? So it should be has been or present perfect because the situation is uncontrolled or unstable. So the sentence would be, Mr. X has been diagnosed with diabetes since 2010 and is on medication. So here the situation is something that is diagnosed in the past, but even now the situation continues or is unstable, therefore we have to use has been here. So next time, never get confused with was and has been and use it correctly and accurately. Thank you so much and we'll be back with more videos.
IILT, it's my cup of tea.